Hello guys, how are you all? It's been a long time since I've uploaded a tutorial video. So today I am going to share a tutorial video. How to draw a beautiful sunset landscape. Before starting the landscape, I will share the brushes which I am going to use. Tattoo Inker Brush, Inking Pen, Smudge Flat Brush 3, and Camo Texture Brush. Now, let's start the video. Open your Sketchbook app on your mobile or tab, and select a canvas. Now select medium orange color from the color palette. Then select Fill tool and apply the color in the base layer. Now you need to take a darker shade of orange, which you can select from color palette, or you can make it dark by decreasing the luminance like I did. Now select Tattoo Inker Brush. Create a new layer and start applying color with a bigger brush size. Select Smudge Flat Brush 3 and blend the color. Time to draw the clouds. For that, first select Salty Watercolor Brush. Reduce the color flow and start coloring by tapping the brush with the very lighter color of orange, like I have shown. Now time for the blending. Use Smudge Flat Brush 3 for blending. But this time don't blend all over the clouds. If you want, you can leave some as it is. Now, select the inking pen and black color. Now, select Rectangle Selection tool, and make a shape, like I have shown. Apply black color with Fill tool. Now erase the top part of the pole with transparent brush like I have shown. Now, again use Rectangle Selection tool, and black color to create a horizontal shape, like this. Now, duplicate the shape, by clicking on Duplicate tab, and place it with the help of Transform tool. Repeat the process 2 times. Merge all 3 layers, with the help of Merge option. Now click on Transform, and skew the shape with Distort tool. Now, merge the horizontal shape with the pole. Duplicate the whole electric pole. Now make it smaller with your finger, and move it with Nudge tool, like I have shown. Repeat the same steps, and make the 3rd pole. Select Inking Pen, black color, and activate Predictive Stroke. Now, draw electric wires like I have shown. Now, increase the brush size, and draw wires in between 1st and 2nd pole because it's closer to the screen. Now, repeat the same process like I have shown. Time for the birds. For that, first zoom in the screen. Now, select Inking Pen, black color and activate Predictive Stroke tool. Draw the bird, like I have shown. Done. Now, duplicate it, and place it in the other side with the help of Transform tool. For moving the bird you can simply use your finger or Nudge tool. Now, repeat the same steps again, till you're satisfied with the birds. You can flip the birds, with the help of Flip tool. Also keep in mind, that if you place the birds nearer to the screen it should be bigger, and vice versa. Time for the bush. For that, select Camo texture brush, with black color, and start coloring, by tapping the brush, like I have shown. Now, if you want to adjust the background color, then select the layer, and use HSL adjustment, to adjust the color. Now, I feel we need to add some pink color, in the background, to make the scene more vibrant. So, I am following the same process like before. Use Tattoo Inker brush, to add pink color, and Smudge Flat Brush 3, to blend the color like I have shown. Now, here I will show you a magic. For that, copy the all three background layers, and arrange it, like I have shown. Now, use HSL adjustment, to change the color to blue. Let's follow my steps. Now, we have two landscapes. Keep whichever you like. Also we can make more variant, with HSL adjustment.